Hi everyone, so I just wanted to do a little video of my unboxing of my first mechanical keyboard. So this is a kind of a hobby I'm just starting to get into, and I hope that I can actually like build my own mechanical keyboard, but first I just wanted to get a good starter. So I did some research and found that the 3087 Akko mechanical keyboard is a really good place to start. And there's a lot of other keyboards that they make that are pretty cheap, around the $120-$150 price range. So if you're trying to start with a basic mechanical keyboard, I heard this was a good place to start. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I got the 3087 9009 Retro Edition. So here it is. It comes in this really cute box. And as you can see, they give you a few different keycap options to kind of mess around with. So yeah, it comes in this like kind of pink and mint colored box, and I got it with the cherry red switches. Again, like, it's my first keyboard, so trying to decide switches, I kind of like, went to different stores and tested out switches in the stores to see what I think I'd like. But yeah, so it came with this protective little cover. I don't know if I'll use it because I'll probably just be using this keyboard mainly as like my main keyboard for work and stuff. But yeah, that works really well in case you're displaying it and want to keep the dust off. And so when you first get it, it comes with the like beige and gray keycaps on it, which I really like the look of this, just because I like kind of the retro 80s 70s look to keyboards. So I like those keyboards that kind of give that homage to that time period. But they also give you a few other keycap options, which I end up deciding to go with because I really like the options they give. So yeah, here's me just showing how well that fits on that little protective cover. So like, if you want to just be displaying your keyboard and add this to a collection, like, that would be a really nice way to keep the dust off of it and everything, keep it clean. So in this first little box, we get the actual keycaps. So like I said, they kind of give you a good little cute selection here. You can kind of choose between that mint color and this like light pink color. And I had like looked at pictures and like watched some reviews on this keyboard before, but like the colors in real life look really, really nice. I was really happy with what these different keycaps looked like. So you get some options with the space bar, the return key, the escape key, and then they give you the little like enter key for if you had a numpad. But obviously the 87 keyboard does not have a numpad, so I don't really know why they included that. There is like, they have obviously a lot of different versions of the 9009 retro keyboard that they make, so they probably just include those for those keyboards that are full sized. But here's all the extra keycaps, and then they also give you the little USB cord. But I really like the USB cord they give you. I'm struggling with getting it out right now, but they make it like color coordinated with the keyboard, so it like looks, it still has that retro style to it, which I really like. It's not just like a black or stark white USB cord. So I really like how it looks. It's not a Bluetooth keyboard. Akko makes some Bluetooth keyboards very similar to this, just in kind of different colors and stuff, but I didn't really mind it not being Bluetooth, and I really like this cord, so I'm really happy with that. And then they also give you this really cute little keycap puller. The videos I watched, they give you a little like cat paw looking one, so I was kind of bummed that I didn't get that because that looked really cute. But this is a cute little like Akko brand lavender keycap puller, so I'm gonna use this to kind of switch around the keycaps. And yeah, sorry, this is, like I said, my first time, so just trying to do everything smoothly and not like mess anything up. So there I have the Cherry MX Red switches. I'm really happy with them so far. I think when I make my own actual build, I'll probably look at something else, but I'm really happy with this as my first keyboard with the cherry reds. But yeah, so I'm going with the green, in the return key, and I just really like the color scheme. If you're at all about the retro type of keyboards, like I think this is a really good beginner option. So I went for the pink space bar, and then I go for the green escape key, and I'm kind of thinking about getting one of those artisan escape keys that people sell, because I think that'd be really fun to have on my first keyboard. But yeah, I'm all about this keyboard, and then I'll of course do a little sound test for you guys after this. Alright, and here it is, the final little color scheme. Now I'm going to give the little test for y'all.